Hands-on product experiences deliver the moments that drive revenue. Knowing how people engage is what moves deals forward. Introducing Instruqt's upgraded Salesforce integration. Your labs, now connected to your pipeline. Send Instruqt tracks directly from Salesforce. See engagement as it happens. Who started, who finished, where momentum slowed. All visible on the opportunity, right where it matters most. No more guessing, no blind follow-ups, no switching tools. Just real engagement signals teams can act on. In the system they already trust. Instruqt and Salesforce. Hands-on product engagement built for impact.